Managing your IT setup is simple with the Dell Pro Smart Dock and Dell Device Management Console. Let's get started. Start by logging in to the Dell Device Management Console. If you don't have an account, click Create Account and follow the prompts to set up your profile. Once set, log in securely with a one-time passcode and access your dashboard. After logging in with your Dell account or Microsoft Intra credentials, just enter your company name to create your tenant and complete setup. Add and manage administrative users with ease. Simply enter their details and assign roles to streamline device management. With Dell Pro Smart Docks and the Dell Device Management Console, managing your IT ecosystem is simple, secure, and efficient. Experience smarter workspaces today.